can't even tell the difference between outside and your vagina. Vagina.
Obviously. Goddamn rain, ruining our plans. I can't even go to the zoo to see the tigers.
Goddamn rain. I can't even go to my lady panties sale at the corner of Melrose and Cahuenga.
Cahuenga.
Without my lady panties? What will I wear to the Glorious Secrets Lady Panty premiere opening night gala for the Ladyless Pantyless Panties?
Ooh la la, Alfonso.
Goddamn rain! If I can't see the tigers, how am I supposed to get my inspiration for my next hip hipster yoga workout song?
Roller coaster tiger, roller coaster tiger, roller coaster tiger.
God!
Damn!
Rain! No zoo!
No sale!
No tigers!
No panties!
No inspiration!
No gala!
No new song!
No pantyless panties!